Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to read poem Daffodils, the first poem in our reader book. Daffodils or I wandered lonely as a cloud. Yes, another name for this poem Daffodils is I wandered lonely as a cloud. This poem was written by William Wordsworth in 1807. William Wordsworth was a nature lover poet. It means he loved natural things or nature very much. This poem is considered to be one of his best poems. Let's start. Have you ever gone on long walks when in the countryside? Do you feel inspired by the beauty of nature around you? Does it make you happy? In this poem, the poet narrates a small incident in which he got an opportunity to see a huge number of daffodils in a valley. Let's start reading of the poem. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here, wandered means moved aimlessly, means बिना किसी पर्पज के इधर उधर घूमना, ऐसे ही lonely means alone. Here the poet says that he was moving aimlessly, alone like cloud that floats high over the hills and valleys. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Listen carefully what the poet is saying कि एक बार मैं ऐसे ही घूम रहा था अकेले as a cloud, जैसे कि बादल घूमते हैं, that floats on high over vales. Vales means here valleys पे से, घाटियों पे से या पहाड़ियों पे से, जैसे कि बादल ऐसे ही घूमते रहते हैं, ऐसे ही एक बार मैं घूम रहा था. When all at once I saw a crowd. और फिर अचानक मेरी नज़र एक क्राउड पर पड़ी, एक भीड़ पर पड़ी. A host of golden daffodils. Daffodils, I think you know, daffodil is a name of a yellow color flower. और जब पोइट घूम रहा था तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे a host of golden daffodils, बहुत सारे गोल्डन सुनहरे डेफोडिल्स पर उसकी नज़र पड़ी. बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर में, लार्ज नंबर में डेफोडिल्स थे. बिसाइड द लेक, बीनीथ द ट्रीज़. और वो जो डेफोडिल्स थे वो फ्लावर्स थे बिसाइड द लेक के साथ साथ. बीनीथ द ट्री, पेड़ों के नीचे फैले हुए थे. फ्लटरिंग एंड डांसिंग इन द ब्रिज, जो हवा की वजह से, फ्लटरिंग मीन्स वेविंग, हिल रहे थे. एंड डांसिंग, नाच रहे थे, हिल रहे थे मानो कि जैसे नाच रहे हो. इन द ब्रिज, हवा में. This is your first stanza. See once again. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils. Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. So, the poet is telling that while roaming or moving in the valleys, he suddenly sees a crowd, a host of golden daffodils. He sees a large number of daffodils beside the lake, below the trees. They seem to be fluttering and dancing in the breeze. It means they were moving or waving like they were dancing in bridge.